Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy stock with Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, go on to your Robinhood application. After that, make sure that you are eligible to trade stocks in Robinhood. So make sure that you have completed your signing up and your identity verification. And if you didn't, you can just click on complete signing up here. Then after that, you will need to start searching for your stocks. So basically here, this is just a first items or a first list, or you can call it just a beginner list or whatever. So this is just the first time that you are using Robinhood, you will find this list. You can create your own list by clicking on create screener or whatever. You choose a type of uh, list, then you start adding the stocks that you would like. So basically, you can click on show all so you find all the stocks. Then you will need just to choose the stock that you want to buy in Robinhood. So for example, let's suppose that we want to have an Amazon stock. So basically, we are going to click on Amazon, and as you can see, there is all the statistics and the chart for the stock, etc. And basically, to trade or to buy the stock, you will need just to click on this trade button. By clicking on trade, three options will appear. You will find the buy option, sell option, and trade options. So basically, since you want to buy the stock, you will need just to click on buy and another page will appear that will ask you on how much you want, how many stocks that you would like or the volume of the stocks that you want to buy. You add the informations, you confirm, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.